In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front turn signal bulb on your 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent. It's a very easy process, only takes about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right where the driver's left side foot would go, that's where the primary hood release lever is. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there. Lift up the hood a little bit, put one finger in there and push it left, just like that. Now the hood should open up. To secure the hood in place, we need to use that prop rod over there. Get it out of there and let's put it in that slot right there. Get the prop rod in there. Once it's in there, just pull it a little bit to the front of the vehicle like that. Now once the hood is open right there, that's the front turn signal bulb. That's the passenger side one. I'm going to show you on the passenger side first and then I'm going to show you the driver side one. So get right there behind the bulb. Right there in front of the windshield washer fluid reservoir, the blue cap. Yep, that one. Twist the bulb holder left and out it comes. Simple as that. Now in order to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just press it down. See how I can press it down? So press it down, twist it left and out it comes. It's a 2-filament bulb. You can see it right there, 2 filaments in there. The bulb size is right there on it as well. It's 2357. Again, it's 2357A. A is the amber color. That's what you want to get. 2357A. Get the replacement bulb. Put the bulb in there. And as you can see, I can press it down. And you can put it in either way. This way or just move it around. I can still put it in there. See that I can press it down. So now press it down, twist it right, and you're done. Let me do it again. Put the bulb in there. Press it down, twist it right, and let it go. And it's locked in place. Now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. Like that. Make sure it's sitting flush. See, just like that. And now twist it right to lock the bulb holder in the light. Now it's locked in place. Now I'm going to repeat the exact same process for the driver's side one, just to give you guys an idea that, like, yes, it's the exact same process. There's space for me to get my hand in there, get the bulb in and out, same bulb size, same everything. So the exact same process as the passenger side one, and that is pretty much it. Now to close the hood, push the hood a little bit, then get the prop rod out of the slot, put it back in its place like that. Lower the hood and slam it shut.